Now I have to flex a little bit my muscles. In this show, we test our systems under the most challenging conditions. How fast can it go? How much can it handle? Get ready. This is Handling Xtreme. Today's episode is about Agrifood. And in Agrifood, it's about gentle handling. And as such, we have invited a real gentle man. Marcel, welcome.
Thank you, Mark.
What are the key important elements that we as land handling have to take care of?
Yes, first, if you talk about gentleman, let me help you a little.
Oh man,
Good.
Thank you Marcel.
If looking at the market of our machines, the biggest problems they issue is damaged product. And if a product gets damaged, it gets to the supermarket, they send it back, but not only the one bag, the whole load.
The whole load?
So we take care that all the products we handle are gentle and without any damages.
Okay, so gentle is really, let's say, a magic word.
It is.
Okay.
Yeah. The second problem is because of the high transport cost, all customers want to even pack more and more products into the bags and into the big boxes.
Right.
But if you do nothing, they stick out. Boxes are put together again, damaged products, whole production sent back to the supplier. We have solved this issue for the customer and we can show you today.
Okay, wow, that sounds interesting. So, shall we go?
We go.
Let's go. Marcel, we have arrived at the scene. What do we see and what do we have here?
What do I have here?
Onions.
What will happen?
They get damaged.
We will show you potatoes, apples, and even more products that are more delicate.
Okay.
And we will show you that this machine can handle them all without damaging any product. The products come all the way from the beginning where we started to the pickup. We pick them from the bottom, so it's no force on it, and we will load them in the box.
So here again, that delicate handling comes into play because this is where we really pick up the product.
Yes.
So let's start the first test. Products are coming, I see
Products are
them.
coming, yes.
Oh my gosh, it goes fast. But where's the proof? How do I know if it's really not damaged?
We look at the products. Come, we go. You look at the potatoes. If the potatoes really damaged, you very quickly see spots on the product. Looking at this product, it looks all
fine.
All good. So far, so good, Mark.
So far, so good.
If I press it, what do you see?
Yeah. You see immediately a little bit of brown and
easily it's damaged.
But these are all shiny, red, green.
They're good.
Perfect apple. Don't you have anything special left?
We now have, Mark, a really extreme product. You won't believe what you see.
Okay. My gosh, these are eggs.
Really eggs.
Extreme.
And they go. I show you there, not broken.
Please.
Oh shit.
You were not gentle enough?
No, not me, but the robot was.
And we talked also about the optimal filling of the product.
Our machine has a vibration option.
Vibration, that sounds exciting.
It is. We get about 20% more in the box because of the vibrating.
I think I'm going to challenge you on the 20% if you can make that. There she goes.
Not vibrating now.
Not now, no. Because that's what we are going to test.
You're gonna do.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So Marcel, how much is it sticking out?
Really about 9
About 9 centimeters.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can try it vibrating by hand, then the robot will do it later and we see who will win.
Human power and intelligence against the robot. I have to flex a little bit my muscles. One.
Well done.
Ladies and gentlemen, I really tried. I'm sweating. Let's see what the machine can do.
Counting the bags, 1, 2, 3, 4 and go. Now you can hear the vibrating.
yeah.
Yeah. And
Oh.
are you surprised?
Yes, I'm surprised. This looks already a lot better. So we were +9 without anything done.
Yes.
+1 with my effort.
And now we
And
are
now we are-
I think -5.
-5, -6. That's a big difference.
It is.
So actually we're going from +9 to -5. So that's
Yeah.
14 centimeters.
Yeah, it's about 20%. And without any effort.
I did some part.
Yeah, only once.
That's right. Let's go back to the studio and discuss and revise a bit what we have seen today. Let's go. So back in the studio, Marcel, what were the things that you noticed during the challenges?
It was good to see you vibrating the box.
It was a tough thing.
Always take care that there's gentle handling of the product, that the product doesn't get damaged.
Right, and that's a cost thing, and that's an element of waste.
But
Yeah,
also
yeah.
the name of your company is important. And be aware that you need to do something additional to get the product into the crate or the box.
I noticed.
What was your impression about this?
Obviously, I'm not an expert, but one thing I noticed is that you cannot handle eggs very well.
No, I see my hands.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching the show. As you have seen, we like challenges. So if you have challenges that you think we can't handle, I dare you. You can contact us and we will take on those challenges. See you next time.